Welcome to this tutorial on the Multimac child car seat. The Multimac enables you to safely fit 3 or 4 children across the back seat of any car. We make a range of models so we can fit them into small cars like Minis, Fiat 500s, up to larger cars like Qashqais and Range Rovers. Multimac's designed for safety and greatly exceeds the EU standards. Each seat berth has a 5-point harness. They all work exactly the same. The harness is instantly adjustable and will take children from 15 months up to 12 years old. The Minimac is our rear-facing baby cradle, which works with the Multimac. It's the equivalent of a Group 0+, so it will take newborns up to 18 months. It comes with adjustable harnesses and a head hugger insert. For bigger children or even adults, you can swap the Ilva headrest for the Tommy headrest. And then we've got a plug-in adult buckle, which means that you can use the car's lap and diagonal with either of the outer seats of the Multimac. The Multimac isn't a permanent fixture and can actually come in or out of the car in a matter of minutes. The way it's secured into the car is by 2 tether straps, which fix onto the adult seatbelt mounting points underneath the back seat. And these mounting points are 7 times as strong as ISOFIX points. Once the tether straps are fitted, slide the Multimac in across the back seat, making sure it sits centrally and that the legs are clamped to the floor. Put the tether straps through the ratchet adjusters and tighten them up. The Multimac should feel completely solid and almost like it's part of the car.